Well, this is me opening up the pond. Do it each morning. It's raining again, so I'll probably close it in a little bit. But this morning, sadly, I found one of my little turtles floating. This poor guy over here. He didn't make it. I think, looking at the back of the shell, it looks like he was drowned by one of the other bigger turtles. He must have got into somewhere he shouldn't have been. Poor guy. Anyway, there's still a few left in there. The pond's plenty full. It's been raining the last couple of days a lot. It's that time of year now. They're a little hungry, so I guess I'll get some food and you guys can watch them eat. I've got so many baby chitlets now. I counted 10 yellow ones way down at the bottom of the pond, just hiding in the little things they can get under, in the rock or behind some slate, anything. It's crazy though, there's so many of them. I don't know what's going on. My Oscar's not eating them. The other chitlets don't seem to be eating them. And the earth eaters are eating them. So I guess at some point I'm just going to have a full pond. I'll start selling chitlets or something. I don't think you'll be able to see any of the babies today because it's raining. The water's kind of getting wiggled. Oh, there's one right there. He's kind of sweet size. He's probably a week old. He's about 3 times bigger than normal water I see. Another one. So many of them. I don't know what I'm going to do with them all. The aquarium's still doing well. Turn the light on here for you guys. See all those happy fish? I tell you what, these little guys right here have made a world of difference on my plants. All my plants had really dark brown stuff all over them, everywhere. In fact, they're starting to get it again. But those guys are good at cleaning it up. I got 2 of them in there. They keep things pretty spotless. I'm pretty impressed with those guys. Even better than a snail. I got some snails in there. Except my stupid snails. They love to get onto that intake pipe, and that's where they die. I've had to peel more than 1 or 2 off. I'm another one of those guys. Alright, another rainy day in Vietnam. Thanks for watching.